Is your system struggling to run games or graphics heavy software? Getting those annoying low VRAM errors? You are in the right place. Today we will show you how to increase VRAM in Windows 10 and 11 step by step. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will walk you through the methods to increase your video RAM or VRAM. Let's get right into it. Method 1. Check your system's physical memory. Boosting your system's graphic performance, especially on integrated Intel GPUs, can sometimes be achieved by allocating more VRAM through a registry tweak. Before adjusting VRAM, it's important to know how much RAM your system has, as this determines how much VRAM you can allocate. To check that, press Windows plus R to open the Run command box. Then type msinfo32 and press Enter. Look for total physical memory in the list. As you can see here, this can vary as per your system. Method 2. Check your current VRAM. Next, you should check your current VRAM. This allows you to see how much video memory is currently dedicated to your graphics card before making changes. Here is what to do. Right-click on the desktop and choose Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Click Display Adapter Properties. Under the Adapter tab, note the dedicated video memory. Method 3. Determine the VRAM value to set. Now, determine the VRAM value to set. This method will help you to decide how much VRAM to allocate based on your system's total physical memory. The amount of VRAM you can safely allocate depends on how much RAM is installed in your system. For example, if your system has 1 GB of RAM, you can set the VRAM to 128 MB. For 2 GB of RAM, you can try to set the VRAM value to 256 MB. If you have 4 GB of RAM, set it to 512 MB. For 8 GB of RAM, use 1024 MB and so on. This guideline ensures your system has enough memory left for regular tasks while still improving graphical performance. Method 4. Modify the registry to increase VRAM. This is the core method where you manually tell Windows to allocate more VRAM to your integrated graphics card. Here is what to do. Press Windows plus R, type regedit and hit Enter. Click on Yes in the UAC prompt. Navigate to hkey_local_machine/software/Intel or AMD or NVIDIA, depending upon the graphics card you are using. Right-click on the graphics manufacturer's folder, then select New, then Key, then name it as GMM. Select the new GMM key. In the right pane, right-click, then select New, then dword 32 value. Name it exactly as dedicated segment size. Make sure you use the capital letters correctly. Now double-click on it. Choose hexadecimal. Set the value as per your system. Click OK and close the registry editor. A restart is necessary to apply the new registry settings and reflect the updated VRAM allocation. Restart your PC. After rebooting, repeat method 2 to check if the dedicated video memory has increased. And that's it. These are the best ways to increase your VRAM in Windows 10 or 11, whether for better gaming, smoother performance, or tackling graphics-intensive tasks. We hope one of these methods helped boost your system's graphics capability. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and Windows tips. Have a question or a method that worked better for you? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.